Hello. Okay, today we are going to talk about a little bit about what to do in the sketchbooks, and I have my examples here to show you. So for the younger kids, we made the 4-page origami book, and I would say that even a preschooler could, with help, make this. Kindergarten easily could make this. And then just have them draw a picture, or you, if you're a kindergartner watching this, draw a picture, first grade too. If you know a few words, write a few words about what you did during your day. So just start with your cover, make it your book, and draw a picture of yourself. Okay, that's easy. For the more complicated little journal, the accordion fold one, that I think, what did I say, 3rd through 5th could probably do this one pretty easily. Same thing, make your daily journal and then write some interesting thing that happened. Today I saw a hummingbird. It could be that simple, just some little documentation of what you did. Then the middle school book that we made with the cardstock cover and the folded pages and the rubber band. I'll read to you what I wrote in my book on the first day. March 16th, learned how to set up a Google Classroom, then set it up on the wrong Google account. Good times. On the plus side, I'm fostering Mari's gecko that she let me name Dobby. And so I drew a little picture of Dobby looking at you. Today I watched a video on how to boost my immune system. So I just took notes that whole day. I didn't even draw a picture. It was a long video. It's about an hour-long video on how to boost your immune system. So that's the kind of thing that you can put in here. Drawings, interesting facts, helpful things that you come across. And then I haven't worked on this little book yet, but I have one that I've kept for 2 years. These are little gifts that my son Joshua sends to me from the spirit world. There's a quote from the Gospel of Luke that seemed appropriate. Then I drew a picture of him with a feather that I found. Little signs that he's sent me. Dreams that I've had. It's a personal book of poems. Occasionally I come across a poem I just want to leave in there. Joyful Josh. There he is, joyful, and Christmas Eve. A hummingbird I saw on St. Bridget's Day last year. A dime I found on the street, so I put that in where I found it. And then I just love that little illustration, so I'm leaving it alone. More pictures and drawings. A poem that I wanted to keep. Another poem I wanted to keep. So I'm working my way through it. It's a magical little book. It appears and disappears from time to time. Yesterday I was looking for it, couldn't find it. Today there it was. So those are ideas. My students are going on spring break this week. I'm going to keep making videos for everybody else. And starting tomorrow, we'll work on faces. So think about that. Goodbye for now.